Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable the startup sound on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is go ahead and just open up your start menu. So just go ahead and left click on that start button one time. And you want to type in control panel. Best result should come back with control panel. So go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to large icons, and then you want to select where it says sound. Go ahead and left click on that. Select the sounds tab, and then where it says play Windows startup sound, uncheck that option, and then select apply and OK. And that's if you want to turn it off. If you want to turn it on, you just would keep that check marked, or you would check mark it. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.